we'll be able to do it.
Okay. Just wanted to mention to our viewers that Sula Wines has listed, and as we were telling you, it was expected to be a muted to disappointing listing because of a couple of reasons, right? I mean, the stock, by the way, is now down about 2.5%. Of course, the company has 60% market share in the India wine business, but that itself is a very, very small portion of the alco beverage market. In any case, the fundamentals of the company have not improved over the last many years. The revenues have been absolutely stagnant for the last 3 to 4 years for Sula, and that I think is a bit of an issue. The money will not go to the company. It's a complete offer for sale, so that's another thing that perhaps is bothering the street. And debt on the books is also an issue perhaps for Sula Vineyards. So just keep an eye out. FY22 debt was about 240 crores.
It's red, right? Not red wine. It's just a joke. Arjun,
someone said, right? Drink the wine, but don't subscribe to the IPO.
But it's the first of its kind, a pure wine company. So, points taken, Sonia, what you said. 350 on Sula. It's a new listing, and that's a great thing. Recently, we've had so many new industries which are now represented via listed entities, and that is only set to grow manifold. So the market gets wider, deeper, more representation from different, even niche sectors, etc., coming through. So that's the market for you. We had a bit of a bounce. Anjan, great to have you with us here. Thank you very much, and all the best for the revamp and all the efforts that you're making. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, the market did bounce about 50 points. This is the second leg of the bounce that we saw, which has already been sold into. The initial sort of gap up got completely sold. We were down. Then we had, I think, a 40-50 bounce, which is also now being given up. So it's very volatile. Just 2 or 3 points is what we have in the index, exactly at 18,202. We had the management of Thyrocare with us in the morning. Look at Thyrocare stock. It's up 8.5%, 760. This is after yesterday's 15% move. So that's a very large move coming through. I don't think you're seeing a similar move on either Dr. Lal or on Metropolis. Thyrocare and Metropolis, of course, are the bigger underperformers of the lot out of the three. No, we're not. It's only on Thyrocare, so it's not as if the path labs are all surging like what we had yesterday. Apart from that, I mean, in terms of very large moves, there is Solara, which is up 6% on volumes. So, just highlighting. And you got Aster DM, which is up some 5% as well, which is coming up on my screen at least. Vijaya Bank is up 5.5%, which is coming through. I mean, that's it. Otherwise, I mean, market breadth, etc., it's completely flipped. Look at the NSE advanced decline ratio. There are 1,700 stocks lower and about 400 stocks which are higher, 4:1 in favor of declines. And that crossover happened early on in the session. We'll take a break. We are back, and we'll be joined by Mitesh for some technical trading ideas, anything fresh in the Nifty that he might have. Stay tuned for that.